Hey everyone, it's Jay from KMA Salt Oyster Farms, and today we're going to give you a tutorial on how to shuck an oyster through the hinge. First, we're obviously going to need some oysters to start. We have those right here. We're going to need our knife, towel,
and a bowl with ice. Today, we'll only be shucking a few oysters. Also keep in mind, there are various techniques on how to open an oyster, but today, we'll just be tackling the hinge method as it's easiest for us. To begin, take the tip of the blade and wedge it into the oyster hinge at a roughly 10 to 45 degree angle. Not every hinge is the same, but as you shuck more oysters over time, those will be easier and easier as you go on. We'll wiggle that blade around, finesse it until the hinge pops open for you. Once the hinge is popped open, we want to continue around the edge of the oyster shell, slicing the muscle, which allows us to remove the top shell entirely. From there, we'll clean out any debris that's been caused by the shucking process, and then separate the meat from the bottom shell. Due to the curvature of the blade, this tends to flip the oyster as well. From there, plate, serve, and enjoy.